Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to clip a video in Canva. First of all, head over to Canva website. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, open any of your video template or upload your own file. From here, add a video you want to trim. I'm just going to use the video from the template here. Now, select the video and you can see scissor option here. Here you can see trim. Click on it and you will see a dark color here. Select it and move it to the right and you will be trimming the starting of your videos. Now, you can also see it at here, at the last of the video. Now, click on it and drag it to the left. You are trimming the last side of a video. You can also move it like this. So that is how you can trim your video. You can also manually select the total length of a video by changing this number here. I am going to make it 18 and it will be 18 seconds long. So that is how you can trim or clip a video in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.